Hi, I'm Sherri Colvin, the owner and creator of Mini Doll Kits. I'd like to share with you how I construct a doll using my kit parts. It's really easy. We'll start by putting together the head, torso, and hip sections. The things I like to have on hand are glue. You can use super glue or white glue. I use super glue. Wire cutters, a ruler, and your kit. In your kit box, you have 2 pieces of chenille wire. You want to start by cutting one of those pieces into 2 1-inch long pieces. We're going to insert these into the pre-drilled holes at the bottom of the torso. So take your super glue and just put a drop of glue into each hole. Now insert the chenille wire. The next thing to do is to create about an 1/8 inch gap in between the lower hip section and the torso. So trim your wire and insert the hip section. Check to make sure you have the right amount of gap. Trim it again if you need to. The goal is to be able to flex the waist. Now, 2 more drops of glue in the upper part of the hip section and insert your wire into the hip section. Super easy. Now that we've got that done, we're ready to move on to part 2, which is constructing the legs.